Is the balance of power in the Eastern Mediterranean shifting? On one side stands Turkey, a nation that has rapidly transformed its defense industry over the past few years, building advanced drones, modern warships, and a powerful air force that has secured its place among the world's leading military powers. On the other side is Greece, smaller in size and population, yet armed with cutting-edge Rafale fighter jets, upgraded F-16 Viper aircraft, and a formidable navy that makes it a serious strategic challenger to Turkey in the region. If we compare the military strength of these two nations in 2026, who truly holds the advantage on land, in the air, at sea, and in the rapidly evolving domain of drone warfare? Today, we break it down with data, defense analysis, and battlefield capability. According to Global Firepower 2026, Turkey ranks as the 9th most powerful military in the world, while Greece holds the 30th position. That gap in global ranking gives Turkey a clear overall advantage, but Greece has significantly increased defense spending in recent years and accelerated military modernization, narrowing the gap in several key areas. The question is, who is truly stronger, where it matters most? Military personnel. Starting with manpower, Turkey possesses a much larger military structure. Turkey fields more than 800,000 total military personnel, including around 355,000 active duty troops, nearly 380,000 reserve personnel, and a sizable paramilitary force. In comparison, Greece has approximately 400,000 total personnel, including roughly 140,000 active troops and around 220,000 reservists. In terms of sheer manpower, Turkey holds a clear numerical edge. Defense budget. When it comes to defense spending, Turkey allocates approximately $47.50 billion annually, while Greece spends around $9.11 billion per year. Although Turkey's overall budget is much larger, Greece dedicates a significant share of its GDP to defense, allowing it to rapidly acquire advanced military systems and maintain a highly capable force. Land power. On land, Turkey maintains thousands of armored vehicles and more than 2,000 main battle tanks, including the Leopard 2A4, M60T Sabra, and the domestically developed Altay main battle tank. Turkey also fields large numbers of self-propelled artillery systems, towed artillery, and multiple rocket launchers, giving it substantial long-range firepower. Greece also possesses a strong land force, with tanks such as the Leopard 2, HEL, Leopard 1, and M48 series, supported by capable artillery and rocket systems. However, in overall scale and firepower, Turkey maintains a significant advantage. Air power. In the air, the competition becomes especially intense. Turkey operates more than 500 military aircraft with a large fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons, while its indigenous Khan 5th generation fighter program could dramatically strengthen its future air combat capability. Greece, however, has heavily modernized its air force with advanced Rafale fighter jets, upgraded F-16 Viper aircraft, and plans to introduce the F-35 Lightning II, potentially elevating Greek air power to an entirely new level in the region. In terms of advanced avionics, sensors, and next-generation capability, Greece is becoming an increasingly dangerous air power. Drone warfare. Modern warfare is increasingly shaped by drones, and in this field, Turkey stands as a global leader. Turkey operates advanced unmanned systems such as the Bayraktar TB2, Bayraktar Akıncı, Aksungur, Anka, and the future stealth combat drone Kızıl Elma. Turkish drones have already demonstrated battlefield effectiveness in Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, and beyond. Greece is also expanding its UAV capabilities, including the use of Israeli-made Heron drones and domestic UAV development projects. However, in drone warfare, Turkey holds a decisive advantage in both operational experience and technological maturity. Naval power. At sea, both nations possess serious naval strength. Turkey operates modern frigates, corvettes, submarines, and mine warfare vessels, while its domestic MILGEM naval program continues to modernize the fleet at a rapid pace. The addition of TCG Anadolu, Turkey's amphibious assault ship, significantly boosts its maritime projection power in the Mediterranean. Greece also fields a capable navy with modern frigates, attack submarines, missile boats, and mine warfare vessels. Greek submarines in particular are considered highly effective in eastern Mediterranean operations and remain a major strategic asset. Final analysis. When comparing overall military strength, manpower, land power, defense industry, drone technology, and strategic military depth, Turkey clearly emerges as the stronger military power overall. However, when focusing on advanced fighter technology, high-end modernization, and specialized naval capability, Greece remains a highly capable and dangerous rival. In short, Turkey leads in size, numbers, and defense production, while Greece is rapidly closing the gap through modernization, advanced technology, and strategic force upgrades. If conflict ever erupted, it would likely be a highly complex, modern, and fiercely contested war, not a quick victory for either side.